climbed up a mountain and looked off the edge at all of the lives that I never have led. There's one where I stayed with you across the sea. I wonder, do you still think of me? I carry your image always in my head, folded and yellowed and torn at the edge. And I've looked upon it for so many years. Slowly I'm losing your face. Oh, the ocean rolls us away, away, away. The ocean rolls us away. Sixes and sevens, we live on jet planes. So many faces, I don't know the names. So many friends now and none of them mine. Forgotten as soon as we meet. All of these moments are lost in time, but you're caught in my head like a thorn on a vine, to forever torment me, and I wonder why. Do I wish I'd never known you at all? Oh, the ocean rolls us away, away, away. The ocean rolls us away. Oh, the ocean rolls us away, away, away. The ocean rolls us away. The sun and the moon on the ocean of air. So many voices and nothing is there but the ghost of you asking me why. Why did I leave?